Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make sub-bullet points in Google Docs. So currently we have a document here, you can see its colors, and here we have primary colors and secondary colors. So say we want to give examples of the secondary colors, we can press and enter, and then in order to make a sub-bullet point to the secondary colors bullet point, when we press enter, we're going to have another bullet point, but this time you're going to tap on the tab button. When you click on tab on the keyboard, you're going to have the sub bullet point. So we're going to make our list. So we're going to write red, enter, and then green, enter again, and blue. As you can see, it's currently in the sub bullet point mode, and if we keep on pressing on enter, it's going to continue making sub point on the secondary colors. Now what if we want to add other details on red? You can press on enter and once again press on tab. This provides a sub bullet point to the sub bullet point. So under red, say we want to just give variations. Just for example, in this tutorial we can say dark red, press on enter, and it continues in the mode which we're currently on. Then we're going to write a light red, and then you get the point. Now, of course, if we want to return to the main bullet points, we can press and enter again, and then we're returning to the main bullet point. If you'd like to make changes, you can come over here, click on the drop down where you have the bullet list menu, click on the drop down, and you can see the differences right here. If we click on this, you can see the difference, it's changed, and we could also change it to this one. But this looks better, and of course it's left for you to decide which is better for you. So this is how to make sub bullet points in Google Docs.